right, here we are. Video number 1 for y'all. We're gonna talk about dry shampoo today because everybody needs it, not everyone loves it. Here is my favorite kind and how I like to use it. As you can see, my hair is up in a bun, which it has been for about 2 days because that's what I do. And we take it down and you can see I've got a pretty fair amount of oil going on under there. It's pretty gross. All right, so what I like to use is the Living Proof dry shampoo. It doesn't have any oils in it, so all it does is absorb the oil. It's weightless, you can't feel it. You can use this bad boy like 5 days in a row without being able to feel anything. So the areas you want to target are obviously like right on the root, and a lot of people forget to get the back crown area, which if you don't get that area, you're gonna have like a really weird split back there. So always make sure and shake it thoroughly before spraying, otherwise you get a whole bunch of just powder and then the rest of your bottle is not as good. All right, so here we go. So you're gonna lift up. I always like to get my hairline first. Do the same, flipping my head over. Maybe over here a little better. So let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute. Sometimes I will like go and do another part of my getting ready process and then come back to it because you do want it to dry a little bit. Once you've let it dry for a second, you're gonna just put your hands in your roots or wherever you've applied it and massage it in like you would if you're shampooing, because it is dry shampoo. So it's not meant to just be sprayed and walked away. All right, so really quick here, I've got it combed out and you can see she's nice and fluffy, not oily, happy. She's ready to go out in the world and live her life, especially once she gets some curls here in just a few minutes. All right, let me know if you have any questions about that or what your favorite dry shampoo is, and I will talk to y'all in just a little bit.